Have you ever wondered how, when, and maybe even why the universe was created?
In today's episode, we're going to cover that and more. This is a study podcast by Shiv and Shranch.
Around 13.7 billion years ago, everything in the entire universe was condensed in an infinitely small singularity, a point of infinite denseness and heat. Suddenly, an expansive explosive began, ballooning our universe outwards faster than the speed of light. If you didn't know, light travels at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, and that is fast.
For reference, sound travels at 343 meters per second, which is fast, but not even close to the speed of light. Once all of that matter got spread out, matter started to come together again in such a way that stars, planets, and everything in this universe, including us, came into existence.
One of the key elements that played an important role in the creation of our universe was gravity. About a billion years after the Big Bang, gravity caused these molecules to gather in huge clouds of gas, forming collections of stars known as galaxies. Gravity is the force that pulls any objects with mass towards one another. Same force, for example, that causes a ball thrown in the air to fall to the earth.
Another key element was the creation of suns and stars. Because of the sun, we have liquid water, and we all know that without water we would die. The sun was born about 4.6 billion years ago. Many scientists think that the sun and the rest of the solar system formed from a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust, known as solar nebulas. As the nebula collapsed because of its gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the matter was pulled together to form the sun.
There are also other theories about how the universe was created, but the Big Bang is the most accepted one among scientists. Some of the most popular theories include the steady state theory, eternal inflation, and Big Bang theories. Currently, the Big Bang is the most widely accepted by cosmologists, but in cosmology, the steady state theory is a theoretical model, unlike the others, which could be real. The universe is constantly expanding, but with a fixed average density. In this universe model, matter is always created to form galaxies, stars, at the same speed as the old ones become destroyed. The most interesting theory aside from the Big Bang is the eternal inflation theory, at least for me. According for the eternal inflation theory, the inflation phase of the universe lasts forever throughout most of the universe because regions expand exponentially and rapidly. Most of the volume of the universe at any given time could be inflating.
Is there any proof behind the existence of the Big Bang? As the contradictions between the Big Bang Theory predictions and observations are not at all limited to those that have been widely dubbed a crisis in cosmology. Despite the continuing popularity of the theory, essentially every prediction of the Big Bang Theory has been increasingly contradictory by better and better data. As shown by many teams of researchers, the observations are, on the other hand, consistent with a non-exact expanding universe with no Big Bang. The real crisis in cosmology is that Big Bang never happened.
The Big Bang Theory is actually supported by various signs of evidence, including the observation of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the abundance of light elements in the universe. An example of this is hydrogen, helium, and lithium, and the redshift of galaxies, indicating that the universe is expanding. A question I have for you is, what do you think the speed of the Big Bang is?
Suddenly, an explosive expansion began, ballooning our universe outward faster than the speed of light. And that is the most important question when answering this question. This was a period of cosmic inflation that lasted a mere fraction of a second, about 10 to the power of negative 32 of a second. According to physicist Alan Guth, 1980 theory that changed the way we think about the Big Bang forever.
The universe is still expanding today, as evidenced by observations such as the redshift of distant galaxies, as in the previous paragraph. The rate of expansion is described by the Hubble constant, one of our satellites. The Big Bang Theory has become the foundation of modern cosmology, providing a framework for understanding the universe's origin. evolution, and large-scale structure. However, there are still unanswered questions in areas of active research, such as the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the initial conditions of the universe, and the possibilities of a multiverse.
That sure is interesting.
You know what else is interesting?
Subscribing to our channel.
If you guys like our videos, and can you guys please continue to support our channel by subscribing? Thanks for tuning in our podcast.
See you. Bye.